Hi everyone, this is Ryan B with Practical Forex Trading. This is the weekly analysis for the Euro Yen, so European Euro versus the Japanese Yen. And the date is February 2nd, 2020. So I am bullish currently in the Euro Yen, just like I am bullish on Euro Dollar. I do believe that the Euro has ultimately may not be bullish. I think we could see some resistance ahead as the year moves on, but in the short term, things are shaping up for bullish for this pair. Let's talk about why. This is our daily chart, and we see that even though there's been an extended multi-year downtrend, looks like price found support at this 119.50 level. Let's go ahead and zoom in. If we just zoom out real quick and take a look at the weekly, here's this trend line that I'm getting here. This goes back to 2012. We saw another touch. Now it needs a third touch really to be considered a legit trend line, but this gives us this really matches the slope of price action. So if we go here, we look and see that price has stayed above this line, and now we can start thinking about what like a parallel trend line look like for this uptrend. So we see a little pocket of price action. Let's go ahead and zoom in. And if we see Friday's price action, we see that price really kind of tested this line, and now we have a bullish move moving back up here. So I think we're going to see is price going up back to this 122.77 line. So if we look at the pivot, we've got 120.14 as a pivot. So basically right where it's sitting. And then we look at support 119.86, and this holds up really well. I mean, really, like, if I've got support here, I'll put it over here so we can see it. But if price goes below this 119.75 mark, that's where I'm going to place my stop, because then I'm thinking the downtrends are resumed. But as long as price stays on top of that, I'm bullish. We've got R2 at 120.79. So just in the numbers, we think about pivot points is based off the last week's price action. Because price has been in a narrow range, these numbers are pretty small, but I think we're going to see, if we hold on to this position, we could see the euro move upwards through April into this 122.77 area. Will it go beyond that? I don't know. The numbers haven't been great for the European economy. That could be the next move in the downtrend. But for now, in the short term, I'm looking for prices to go up. If we look at the 4-hour, let's take this volume off of here. We definitely see, if we think about this as a range trade, just look at this as kind of a range perspective. We can buy here at the bottom of the range. Stop losses under here. That's a real tight stop, and then make our targets for the upper level of this range. Okay, well, happy trading. I hope you make a lot of pips this week. We'll talk soon.